Do you think, looking ahead, India obviously is very present in the IT sector, that you're going to be in competition to a certain extent with Saudi Arabia?
I think 1.4 billion and 36 million? No, let's not talk about competition. I think we both need each other. I think the 1.4 billion Indians will benefit from the kingdom becoming a role model for what future looks like, for really redefining what a science fiction looks like. So my opinion is, and many of the people that you meet, Adam, you would hear about India being the president of G20 this year. You would also hear that Saudi, the Crown Prince, and the Prime Minister Modi have made plans. You know, I met the two deputy ministers in the Ministry of IT. Both the deputy ministers said, thanks to G20, we would be visiting India at least 4 times during the year. Welcome. So we welcome the citizens of KSA, and we know they have a special place for us, and we are proud to be those friends and partners.
And what do you see as the key drivers for growth here?
So let's take a step back. One of the finest education systems. So education is a driver. 36 million people wanting to become even more digital. And that's why the topic today is digital for us. 98% internet connectivity. When you look at, what various government agencies have done is that they have created their own funds to aid the new startups. So my point is educated youth, opportunities, and number 3, an ambition. When you put all of these 3 together, you're talking about a hit movie or a super hit country.